Hello children, in this video I am going to give you some short questions and long question of lesson number 1. According to the pronunciation, how we are saying in the word, is a particular word, because in the history it is difficult to say any of the word and listen accordingly, and some of the spellings according. If you are having the book, you can open it. If you have already written it in the copy, you can open it and see what I am pronouncing and what I am giving you the answer accordingly. Then listen it. First question: who were aristocrats and plebeians? The aristocrats were the highest class and the plebeians were the common people of Roman Empire. Today also we know the accordingly the higher upper classes, it means the king and high highest post and priest, and then second class is accordingly those who are traders, merchant, those who are having the much more money accordingly. And in last year also about the society you already learned it. In the Roman society and Roman Empire, they were divided the aristocrats and plebeians. Okay, that is the highest class. Those who are having priest and king and ruler, they were, and the rest of the people, it has to be said as a plebeians. Next one: why was Julius Caesar assassinated? Julius Caesar, according to the word, you can see the pronunciation Julius Caesar. Okay, Julius Caesar became one of the elected leaders. He quickly rose his power. This threatened the nature of the state, which was republic. Our country is also republican country. It means any of the party, BJP, Congress, BSP, then so many other parties. If one party can be, or one of the leader can be, rose their power or do the good work, the people can accept him. Then accordingly, Julius Caesar arose his power quickly. When he was elected as a ruler of particular area, then he rose his power in that time, and then so that he was assassinated. Who was the first emperor of the Roman Empire? Caesar Augustus. The name, but we say Caesar Augustus. So listen it carefully, the pronunciation. Why were the Roman Empire divided? Roman Empire was divided. There were some causes about the Roman Empire divided into small kingdoms, small areas. The society was in a state of decay and fragment into classes, different classes. Then we said aristocrats and plebeians. In the slaves were there also. The common people were there. The upper class is there. Traders, those who are earning much more money, they were also. That is, and also they were divided into pieces, small people, group of the people they were. Diseases were common. Nobody was taking care of their disease. And people were discontented. They were totally afraiding, and then they were not believing in rulers. They can do their favor, and then they can do the good work for them. Then diseases were common. Different type of the diseases also comes upon. Nobody was taking care. Religion did not unite the people. Any of the religion, Jews that time, the many other Judaics, and then they were there. They could not unite on a particular place, the particular people. They come and listen to them. Any religion places, so that these are the common. So that it was divided into small areas as a small kingdom. Who were the two apostles who continued to spread the teaching of Jesus even after his death? Yesterday, apostles we already learned about 12 were there. They were 12 were there, but after his death, two were people, Saint Peter and Saint Paul. Who were the followers, of his disciples, who spread his teachings from one place to another. They went over there, and then his brother, then his teachings was already whenever we were reading the lessons in what their teachings, the brotherhood, and then the don't fight each other, speak the truth. There are so many brotherhood. They were spread by their both disciples. Long question, though I have written only one is here. I already have given in one of my CD. Then if you have written, it's okay. Then I have written in some of the changes way, so that you can listen it, and then if you want to note down, then you can note it down. Discuss the condition of the Roman Empire that facilitated the birth of Christianity. Already birth of Christianity has started. People were fighting among each other, and they are not taken care by the rulers, and then other rulers, they also came from outside, so that the simplicity of the new religion, which religion? Christianity, new religion started, spread quickly all over the Europe. They were simply the taught there. Jesus Christ is taught simply teachings to the poor people, to the common people to them that time. The Jewish kingdom of Judea came and controlled the Roman Empire. He also came and then tried to control the Rome in the empire, and the Jewish traditions and customs were different. As he came and ruled, it was different from their Roman rulers. Those who already were there in the different, they already divided into different parts. Then now in different they were rulers, it is not match with them there. Their feelings, their thoughts, what about they wants to say, how can they rules on the people, so that the different from their Roman rulers, so the rebellions broke out. The people could not support them. They were rebellions. Suddenly they were against for the rulers, those who were leaders for the different parties. This led to facilitate the birth of Christianity. So learn, understand, and then rest of these more questions from lesson 1 I'll give you in my next video, and then you can write it down and understand by heart. Thank you, children.